Hi, I'm Zaynah, the Product Genius at Lexus Glasgow, and in today's video we are going to be discussing how to manually open the door handle if your battery is depleted or if you aren't able to get into your car using the E-Latch system. As we aren't able to get into the car using the E-Latch system, we would have to grab a remote keyless fob in order to slide the manual key out. On the top left of the key, there's a button to push down, as so, to slide the key out. In the case where there is no power to the car, this may be due to the battery being depleted, we can no longer use the E-Latch system. In order to use the manual key, we would have to take the cover off the handle, as so. Place the key into the handle, push down, pull the lever close to the front of the car, and pull the door. In order to open the door manually from the inside of the car, we wouldn't have to push down on the E-Latch button, we would have to pull the lever twice in order to open the door, as so. And that is how you manually open the car door if the E-Latch system isn't working. Thank you for watching.